Well, 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 what do we have here? Gold, and we also have silver, and they're kind of copying each other's charts, I'm not going to lie. With gold, as soon as gold wants to drop a little bit, silver's following suit, and it does the exact same thing. Now, I know they're both overbought. Gold is overbought, silver's overbought on the daily, the weekly, and also the monthly time frame. So I'm not going to lie, it might be a good time to take some profits. With me, I don't know how big the pullback's going to be, so I'm not going to take any chips off the table, even though it is definitely the smartest decision to do so. I'm going to be honest, I would take something off, because I believe a pullback is coming, and a great pullback is coming. Not that I'm saying it's undervalued or overvalued, I still think it is undervalued, because if you look at some of the silver over SPX 500, so the S&P 500 compared to silver, silver hasn't even been on a run yet, especially with the money supply increasing, so it could definitely propel higher, especially on the monthly time frame. Now, the monthly time frame is where it's giving you potentially more room for upside. Now, there could be a correction, a much needed breather, because like I say, they are overbought, so a temporary correction could occur. Now, the two probable paths for gold could be like this, so it could consolidate, and if it consolidates like the red arrow, I see silver still moving upwards slowly, but if it goes down sharply like we see in the blue, I also think silver will follow suit, especially with it being overbought as well. Now, the thing with silver is why I'm so bullish on this is because of its use case, and Robert Kiyosaki is actually still buying some. So if we look at Robert Kiyosaki, that's not the right one. We don't want to look at the scam account. The actual blue-ticked Robert Kiyosaki. If I had $100, what would I invest in? I would buy more silver coins. So I think he's actually buying the actual silver rather than buying it on the stock market. Silver gives you a great option because you can buy it on the stock market and sell it quickly, because there's millions of liquidity. Trying to sell real silver is hard. You have to go to the shop, you need to trade it in for something, and you have to store it somewhere too. So it is a little bit easier on the stock market, even though you need to show your ID and things of that nature. Silver has been manipulated for years, and when you go into the monthly chart and you scroll out, every time it's pumped, it's been due to a crisis, and then it always sells off. Now this time, it does look a bit stronger. It looks like it's heading over to that resistance, and it might even plow through it. I think it will consolidate after going back to the all-time high firstly. Just depends on how low we're going to go. So maybe I will accumulate once I see that consolidation, because silver is something you can hold forever. In September 2025, silver is about to explode. I predict your $100 in silver will be $500 in a year. I am buying more tomorrow. Please do not miss silver's explosion. Take care. Do with that as you will. I recommend stop losses, maybe even real silver. I'm thinking about it. We shall see moving forward. We'll come back to this in a few months' time. See ya!